Welcome friends, I'm gonna to share with you future of Bitcoin, where you should open entry, what will be the next, why it rose up so much. Also, I'll tell you about Ethereum and Ripple, and we are starting right now. If you're first time on this YouTube channel, hit the like button and subscribe that you don't miss anything. First, my friends, how we will build this video. First, I will show you our previous prediction and I'll explain you why I thought that Bitcoin would rise up when price was at 17,000-18,000. Also, second part will be I'll tell you what you should do the next. And we would cover top major cryptocurrency pairs, first Bitcoin, Ethereum and Ripple, the last one. That's why let's start. First, about Bitcoin and Ethereum, here was a video on our YouTube channel which I published 5 days ago, where I told that why you should open buy position on Bitcoin and Ethereum, where price would be and was the reason. There would be link below this video which I'll put because you should watch before. Price of Bitcoin at that time was, take a look, price of Bitcoin, let's view HD, 18,000. 80,000 price was. At this moment, Bitcoin, as you can see, 22,832. That means from 18,000, Bitcoin rose up. How much? Let's take a look. The price rose up 32%, my friends. 32% Bitcoin rose up after when I published this video, when I told you. Why I told that? Because the main reason why I thought that Bitcoin would rise up was few major reasons. First one, it is, as you can see, when price hit this previous historical high, there is no good and deep pullback. What does it mean? If there is no good deep pullback, that means someone hold position. Also, after every drop, if you would open every drop, price failed even to close daily candle at low. Price failed many times. Even here, take a look. Price all times failed to close even daily candle below. Also, there was this trend line and this accumulation. For me, it looks like squeezing triangle up and break out of this. As you can see, such reactions. That's why I thought that it would continue up rise. Many of you would ask me what to do the next. That's really good and reasonable question. First one, my friends, never open a position when price rose up such sharply few days in a row, especially when ATR, you open a chart and you would face ATR 300% of ATR. This candle has 394, 310% of ATR. It is not good because at any time there could be deep pullback. Example for you, even here, when price rose up 2 days, paranormal, 459% of ATR, 518% of ATR. After that, deep pullback. Because how it works, you always need to understand how it works. What was the reason of that movement? Why price skyrocketed so much? Do you know why price skyrocketed? It's really simple when you understand market. At this area, there are a lot of people who open, sell and buy positions at the same time. And those people who hold sell, their stop losses in most cases above this area. And when price hits this area, their stop losses to close their sell, they need buy back by market. And that creates such huge movement. And as you can see, BTC was in this range from November, let's start from 17th of November till 16th of December. Whole month price were inside. And there are a lot of people who hold sell position. And why I think at this moment it's dangerous to buy? Because at any time, those people who open buy position here, they can take their profit. When those people who buy here, when they close their profit, what they do? Yes, they sell. And that would press price down. That's why short term, once more, listen to me, it's important. Short term, Bitcoin can do a pullback. Long term, I still believe that Bitcoin would rise up. Here's the reason. Main reason why Bitcoin, I think, will continue its uprise, it is because, as you can see, we have this United States money supply. What is a money supply? It is how much money inside in US economy. And take a look what's going on at this moment. US started this year, 2020. They had nearly 16 trillions of money inside in their economy. And at this moment, they created nearly, my friends, they created nearly 3.5 trillions of money, 3.5 trillions liquidity, which they put. Also, huge possibility that they would create additional 1.5. That means there would be so huge money which they would only print. And what's the main problem of that money? Then wise people would understand that because of that, inflation will start. And because of that, a lot of people would start investing their money in other assets. And cryptocurrency, as you can see, it will be one of that assets. That's why at this moment, I recommend you to wait that there would be some pullback at least to this area. If there would be pullback to this area, you can open buy and hold. If you're a long-term investor, what you should do, there are a strategy which calls dollar cost averaging on, especially it works on stock market. When you buy, for example, piece of Bitcoin all the time. It doesn't matter what price. For example, you got your salary and you buy on 5% Bitcoin. And what does it mean? That sometimes you would buy here. Sometimes when price would drop, you would buy here. Sometimes you would buy here. But in the end, you would have average price. That means in huge possibility for a long term, in a scale for a few years, price would skyrocket because too much money were printed in this economy, and there something will happen. Also, a few hours ago, as you can see, I published this video where I told when Bitcoin was at 23,700. Take a look on this trading view idea. That's the reason why you should follow 23,800. I told that Bitcoin would do a pullback, and take a look what happened after that. Bitcoin, when I published a video that it's too late to buy, made drop. Take a look on this drop. It was 1,000, nearly 2,000 drop. That's the reason why you should never buy after such huge uprise, because there always at any time someone can fix position. My friends, if it's useful for you right now, hit the like button, hit the bell, subscribe on our YouTube channel, because I promise you, you would find so many value here inside. Also, we created a free Discord community for all people who want to follow us. Here would be free trade ideas, analysis, free signals on forex market and crypto market. Take a look here. Also take a look at what we did with our people this week. At this moment we have nearly 80% of profit. Last 2 weeks from 12, like from 4th of December. At this moment it's 70. 2 weeks we made nearly 80% of profit. Take a look how people satisfied with our community. I just want to say, have you made over 10k since I found your suggestion primarily on BTC. That's the reason why you must be here, and below this video there would be linked right now. You should join our community. My friends, next part about Ethereum and Ripple. About Ethereum, I told you to buy Ethereum. How many times I should tell you to buy Ethereum? Where is it? How many times I should tell you to buy Ethereum? Because Ethereum completely bullish. Ethereum looks even better at this moment than Bitcoin. Why? To buy Ethereum, I told you even here when it was November 26th, where I told buy Ethereum right now and here when price was at 490. There I told my friends that Ethereum will continue its uprise, and our next primary goal would be at least nearly 800. Those of you who followed me, I congratulate you. You should hold it, and you should be satisfied because at this moment there is no entry point. You missed your entry point, and just hold it to that area. Only if there would be some deep pullback on Ethereum, you can open a position. Where is it? Right now, USDT, Ethereum USDT on Binance. Trend line breakout, small range, skyrocket. midterm goal for Ethereum would be 840. That means before 840 you should close your position, because you need to be a smarter person, because remember that some people also pay attention to this level and they also would like to close here. That's why you need to close at 810, 820. I recommend you to close part of position, because if from that area I think there could be some pullback and continue of uprise. That's why Ethereum at this moment bullish. If there would be any pullback, you can open buy. Best what you can do is, at this moment below this video, you should join our Discord, free Discord. Here, when there would be a good idea on Ethereum, I promise you we would share here, and you will be able to use it for trading. My friends, if it's useful, hit the like, write a comment. Maybe you have some questions, write please a comment. What would you like to trade? What analysis you would like to see? And let's do the last one, Ripple. We would not pay so much attention to Ripple. Take a look, crypto XRP. XRP USDT. Ripple, for many of you, why it's also important for you to follow me on TradingView, my friend. Because take a look on TradingView, on this video idea, I told my friends that Ripple, two ways how we can buy Ripple. If there would be trend line breakout, or take a look. I told to all people that there would be trend line breakout or powerful down drop, we should buy. And take a look what Ripple had done. Yes, Ripple broke trend line, and at this moment it's also up price and skyrocketing. At this moment price at 56. If you didn't buy at trend line breakout, it's so sad, because at this moment it's difficult to say where would be the next really accurate entry point where you would have so low risk. But still, if there would be any pullback on Ripple, I recommend you to buy it inside in this value area. This value area would be one of the best places where you can buy, because you will have very low predictable risk and your potential profit could be at least for high, and as you can see it would be in many times bigger. My friends, about Ripple also, if there would be good and accurate ideas in our Discord community, we would share for free updates about Ripple. That's why below this video you should join our Discord community. Because there would be a lot of value which you can gain. Also, even yesterday, take a look, even yesterday on EURUSD, where is it EURUSD trade? Take a look, EURUSD, I told, break out of this uprise. That's the reason why you should follow us, my friends. I will not sell for you anything at this moment. I don't want to sell you, because when you will join our community, you would see how much value you can gain. Subscribe, watch the next 2 lessons, and see you inside. Thanks for watching.